gray sky. Yeah.
Jaw. You see this? I'm gonna smash your jaw off that house. Do you understand that? What? Get this house out. You f***ing violent. Tell me what you want to have it.
Please.
Come on, baby. You're baby me now. After you stop. Smash your f***ing head in, you f***ing know. And full put your ass in this f***ing house.
What have I done?
Get in this yard. I swear my kids off, I dream about it every night, about doing much. I'm gonna acid the shit out of you, so every time he looks at you, he screams. You won't even think you're his mum. He'll run away from you. You're gonna go to walk over to him and he's gonna scream and cry, get away from me. Imagine how nice that's gonna feel for me. To God, you wanna f*** around with me? I'll be the evilest you've ever met, and when I get my hands on you, yeah, I'm gonna kill you. How about that? Yeah? So cancel the visit and get my picked up, you dirty little tramp. You've got 2 years to do what you're doing, yeah? And I'll ride my bird planning on your death, mate. I swear to God, I'm gonna kill you.